Hello students. Last presentation we had discussed on what is boiler and classification of boiler. Today we will discuss on boiler mounting. Boiler mounting. Different fittings and devices necessary for the operation and safety of the boiler are known as boiler mountings. The device used for safe working of boiler. Safety fitting are water level indicator, pressure gauge, safety valves and visible plug. And control fittings are blow off cock, steam stop valve and feed check valve. Water level indicator. Water level indicator is fitted outside the boiler shell to indicate the water level in the boiler through a glass tube. In any type of boiler, water should remain at design level. If the water falls below the level due to change of phase into steam and simultaneously fresh water does not fill in by some reason, the hot surface may expose to steam only and overheat. This is because the heat transfer coefficient of steam is very less as compared to water. Due to overheating, damage of tube surface may occur. To avoid this situation, level of water in the boiler need to be constantly monitored and maintained by boiler operator by keeping watch on water level indicator. Pressure gauge. A pressure gauge is used to indicate the pressure of steam in the boiler. It is generally mounted on the front top of the boiler. Pressure gauge is of two types, Bourdon tube pressure gauge and diaphragm type pressure gauge. Both these gauges have a dial in which a needle moves over a circular scale under a influence of pressure. At atmospheric pressure, it gives zero reading. Some gauges indicate only positive pressure, but some are compound and indicate negative pressure or vacuum also. Looking at the gauge, boiler operator can check the safe working pressure of the boiler and can take necessary steps to keep the pressure within a safe limit. If pressure increases and cross the safe limit due to any reason, the boiler shell material may fail and it can burst, causing damage to life and property. This is very important to continuously monitoring pressure in boiler with the help of the pressure gauge. Safety valves. In boiler, we can use spring loaded safety valves, dead weight safety valves, reverse safety valves. Safety valves is a safely mounting fitted on the boiler shell and is essential required on boiler shells to safeguard the boiler against high pressure. It is a vital part of boiler and always be a good working condition to protect the boiler from bursting under a high pressure and so to save a life and property. Visible plug. The function of visible plug is to protect the boiler from damage due to overheating of boiler tubes by low water level. When the water in the boiler is at its normal level, visible plug remains submerged in water and its temperature does not exceed its melting temperature because its heat is transferred to water easily. If under some unwanted condition, water level comes down to unsafe limit, visible plug is exposed to steam in place of water. On the other side, it is exposed to fire, so its temperature exceeds its melting point due to very low heat transfer to steam and it melts down. Immediately steam and water under high pressure rush to the firebox and stop burning. Blow up cork. It is controllable valve opening at the bottom of water space in the boiler, and it's used to blow off some water from the bottom which carried mud settled during the operation of boiler. It is also used to completely empty the water when the boiler is shut off for cleaning purpose or for inspection and repair. Steam stop valve. The it is fitted over the boiler in between the steam space and steam supply line. Its function is to regulate the steam supply from boiler to the steam line. Feed check valve. The feed check valve is fitted in the feed water line of the boiler after the feed pump. Its function is to allow the water to flow in the boiler when the discharge pressure of feed pump is more than the inside steam pressure of boiler and prevent the backflow in case the feed pump pressure is less than boiler pressure. Feed check valve is fitted slightly below the normal water level in the boiler. Thank you.